Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the DAR Education Project with the tutorial series for the Java programming. And in this session number 34, we are going to discuss the introduction of an array. Basically, an array is a consecutive memory allocation, and if you are going to display more than one values with the same name, then you need to require the integer, or sorry, an array. So for this thing, to explain this concept, we are going to make a class here, and I'm going to name this program array of marks, something like this, marks. Suppose we have more than one students, and we are going to show the marks, then we can use marks 1, something like 23. And if we want to add another marks for the other students, we are unable to do that thing. It's an error here. So how can we use the marks for the other students if we use the same name, like marks once again, and add 45 here? So then an error will be shown like this: duplicate local variable marks. So it's not possible that to insert more than one value in a variable. So to do this requirement, we need an array. For this, we are just going to add integer, and after that the two brackets, marks is equal to this, and then we use the two curly brackets here, and in this we can add multiple values like 25, 36, 78, 90, 36, 98. So in this way you can add multiple values of the with this using one variable name. So if we are going to display the value here, there is one more interesting thing, the marks of the student, that there are two main types of an array. The one is known as the index array, while using this is known as the index array because this will use the indexing from 0 and start with 0, and then give index to 1, 2, 3, and so on. So since you can see that the 25 will be at index 0, so and 36 will be at the index 1. So we are using to display this value. For this we can use variable name and then use two brackets here, and in this we can just add the index number. So just go and run this program. You can see at 0 we can see the value of 25, and similarly at index number 2 the value will be 98. In this way, this is known as the index array, and inshallah we are just making the other tutorials. We will discuss the other types of the array in that. So the other type of array is known as the associated array, but we are not discussing it here. So how to display all values? We are using the for loop here, and start with integer I is equal to 0, and just use I is less than equal than, and for example I have 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, then I'm using it like 4. Okay, and here I will give I plus plus increment here, and just use the index place here, and run this program, and you can see that all the values are shown here very greatly. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. In the next video tutorial we are discussing the other things. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.